and others, right, in that region, SDM, IT and others. So this college is also similar to those college, and it has decent placement. So if you start, this college is part of, Canara group of, colleges or, institution, and it was started, which was quite low earlier, 125 years ago. So CEC is the only engineering college in the college which was established in 2001. So this college is already 20 years old and 25 kilometers from Mangalore. So it's a quite good 26-acre green lush picturesque campus, right? So that way it provides a very good environment for the students, and it is affiliated to VTU, and it's AICTE approved. So these are, just to give an idea, these are some of the pictures of the facilities of this college, and the actual bigger campus is very beautiful. It's a 26 acres, so you can understand, in the campus you will have all the facilities which is with respect to sports or, hostels and others, right? So these are just few of the pictures. They have separate hostels for students, boys and girls both. Now coming to the courses, they have total intake of 480 seats, right, across the UG courses, and 40 off through them is through KCT exam, but 30% is also filled through Konkani and the general merit quota, right, which is KRL MPCA exam, right, and 30% through management quota. So this is for KCET, right, and these are the from the branch. But for KCET, they have all, computer science, electronics, information science, mechanical, and triple E, right? They don't have a civil. And apart from these 5 branches, now they have added 3 more branches from this year. So you have a very good opportunity to get into computer systems like, artificial intelligence and machine learning, computer science and design, and also computer science and business systems. So 3 more computer related branches are there. So this is good. Now let's go directly to the placement. I think which you want to understand from last, how is the performance from last 5-6 years. It's quite decent. You can see here computer science is constantly very good, 126 students placed in the 2015 onwards, and you see the line is constant 100 to 220 plus, and even 10, 19, 20 it is 216. So good offer. Information science also, you see the student strength is lesser in this branch, 60, but compared to the 60 branch, 50, 48, and most of the students got placed. 53 students got placed last year. ECE 120, but you see the number of, I think ECE is now 180. So out of 180, you can see up to 142 students were placed at a time. I think CSC is also now 180. So CSC out of 180, ISC out of 60, ECE out of 180, and then triple E out of 120, 48 seats, 48 students. So if you're taking the top 3 branches, which is CSC, ISC and EC, this is quite good. So you can stop and see the progress. Now this is the same thing which I said earlier. So this bars, right, you see for every branch, right, the bar is almost like a constant. That means the placements has good, it's more or less constant over last 5-6 years. So in CSC you see different colors, but all colors are almost to the similar level, and same with the ISC since the number of students are less, and ECE was also 100 plus. So you can see a good amount of 400 students gets placed. And this is from the NIRF report. So I'm not just talking about the college, what they observe, but what the data they have given to the government. So out of 493 students, 326 students got placed in last year. Previous to this year, 391, and previous to that year, 379 students got placed. So for close to 400 students getting placed itself is a good college, is good record, right, for a college in Mangalore, right? So that is quite decent, and the median salary is 3.6 lakhs, which is also decent for this ranking. Or cutoff will be lower for this college, right? And you will get around 40,000, 50,000, 30,000 to 50,000 rank. You will get KCET this college. And now about the companies, quite good number of companies visit this college, right? So you can see Wipro, VMware, all of IBM and Infosys, Capgemini, Amazon. And quite good thing is that they have also given the breakup of the students for this. So I'll show you in the next few seconds, the breakup of the students which got placed. So they have a very clear track record of showing data, right? Which company, for example, Infosys, 5 lakh salary, 1 student got placed. TCS, 41 students got placed at 3.5 lakhs, right? And 3 students at Versa. So this is the first snapshot, right? So 41 students in a single company, right? Now Amazon did not took anybody, but Wipro, you can see 26 students in Wipro, so very good number. Infosys 78 students at 3.6 lakh, that is also very good. So you can see IBM 12 students at 3.2. So you can see this big SAP 5 students at 3 lakhs. So you think big companies are visiting, they're paying lesser salary, but they're visiting and getting the students place. Aries Global, another company in Bangalore, 8 student at 4 lakh salary. And Cognizant, did not disclose salary, but 12 students were selected. Emphasis 8 students selected at 3.25 lakhs. So you see, all these are the big companies, right? And the big companies are recruiting. Quest is another company in Bangalore, 11 student. Mindtree is a good company in Bangalore, 7 students. And Cascade Data not heard, but 4 students got selected at 3.5 lakh salary, and Novigo Solutions 4 students, right? So this actually is showing a good amount of data, right? Many good companies are selecting the more students, right? So when I go to the next page, you will see some more bigger companies, like, so you see Talentio 21 students at 4.5 lakhs. So I should say this is a very good number, good companies, decent, 21 students, and salary is also decent for this college, 4.5 lakhs, right? 21 students, so that is good. Terralogic, 5 students got selected at the salary of 3.25, right? So that's Capgemini, only 1 student got selected. I think that's 3.8 lakh salary. And some more are here, right? Adepro, you can see 4 students at 4.5 lakhs. And Amazon, I don't know if this is the main Amazon, but 14 students, our salary was very low, which is 2 lakhs, but 14 students got selected for Amazon. So that is information. Then Zaro Group, 3 interns were selected. And there are some more, so they have given 100 plus companies visiting. DXC, big company in Bangalore, right? And right, 26 students got selected for at salary of 3.6 lakhs. So that also shows good number of selections which is happening. Bosch 1 student, Huawei 16 students at the salary of 3.4 lakhs. So this is quite good. Salary is not that big, 3.5 to 4.5, but students are low. Similarly, CSS Corporation in Bangalore, right? 27 students at 3.3 lakh salary. So here median salary is not that big, 3.5, 3.6, but the number of students who are getting selected is also good. At least they're getting the job from that region. Q Spider 8 extra marks, which is the student portal, right? 25 students, right? So overall, if you see in 103 companies, right, there are a good number of close to 350 to 400 students get placed. And these are few, again, the same snapshots of those companies which I have mentioned, and how the students got placed. So overall, you see, this is a quite decent college for 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 rank you can get in your own region, this college. So if you're not getting Sahyadri or Elva, you can try this one. This is also quite good. Even the SJEC, right, which is St. Joseph Engineering College, that is also good. So based on your preference or nearness, close to your house, you can take this college, but this college is quite decent. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and share this video. Take care.